Hey, this is Garth Richards for MachineMinutetips.com, and today I'm going to show you how I took a sample and flipped it my own way. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a generic sample and flip it and make it your own. Let's get into it. So basically, I got this sample here. And so basically, I took a section of that sample and ran a high pass filter. I also put an expander on it. If I just take the expander off, stereo expander, it sounds like this. And this is with it on. Just gives you a bit of a stereo width. And then, like I said, I put Nectar 3 on there, and just I just basically cut around 250. And then on the next pad, I put a low pass filter on there, and so that it can create like a bass line. And so for the drums, I basically, they sounded like this. Add some EQ, make it sound a bit more beefier. And then I added a transient master just so that I could get a better punch. I basically just raised the attack time. Sounds like this. And then lastly I put a limiter on there, just to tame it a little bit. So I also found some other instruments I laid down and sort of made like a mini beat from that one sample idea. So this is basically how it all sounds. So that's basically it. That beat basically derived from this sample. And so it just goes to show what you can really do when you just, add some EQ here and there, add a filter here and there. You can really make stuff your own. And so, yeah, I just wanted to show that. Hopefully that helps someone out there that's new to Maschine, and, hopefully they can see the possibilities and, the kind of things you can make with Maschine with just the standalone. But I mean, I used what did I use? I used where is it? I can't even find it now. I basically used a stock EQ on one group, but on the other group I used oh, here it is. I used Nectar 3. I didn't have to use Nectar 3, but sometimes that's like my go-to. And so and really because you've got the the graphical sort of element to it. So really good, really fantastic tool to use. Outside of that, I could have just used the stock EQ to really do the same thing. But yeah, outside of that, bit of EQ here and there, like I say, filter here and there, and yeah, that's basically it. That is it. Anyway, with that being said, if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and yeah, I'll be seeing you in the next one.